Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I mean, it definitely has been a very weak move to the downside, very strong to the downside, that is. Now, whether this is actually like 1 down, 3 up, and now it's making 5 down like that, or whether this little push down is just a crescent to the last wave up, we're just going to have to wait and see. Either way, we should better just go with the flow on sort of time frames. Going down to the weekly time frame, we definitely do have a break and hold below structure, telling me that this whole move up is complete. The question is this move down a correction to the uptrend, and is this going to keep on going, or is this move down like a beginning of a downtrend like this, and this is possibly like an A, B, and now we're in a wave C before it actually does end up continuing back up. Like I said, either way, it's not that big of a deal because either way, we're just going to go with the flow. Heading down to the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down. We do not have any proof that this move down is over, and we do have to realize that it could easily keep on going down. There's no reason to say this trend has to stop right here. This is either a wave A or a wave 1. Wave A's and wave 1s are a little hard to forecast because you don't really have a Fibonacci level that corresponds with it, but normally they do end after a break of structure, so we definitely already got the break of structure. So we'll have to keep an eye for a proof that this move down is over on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, for me, the last structure level is right here. So the break of this structure will tell me that this whole move down is complete. We do not have that break of structure, and we have to keep in mind that the trend is still down, and it could easily continue to trend down. So taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think this is actually pretty clearly 5 waves up right here. It looks like either a wave A or possibly a wave 1. This looks like 1 down and 3 up and then 1 down. That seems very clearly to be an ABC crescent, kind of like an expanding ABC crescent for either a wave B or a wave 2. That means that we're most likely either going up right now for a wave C, which would probably look like this, and then break down. And if you do see this picture right here, you definitely want to get on the short side again, or if really is a 1, 2, 3, then it will go up and break structure. And if it does break structure, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer, because then I'll have more proof on the higher time frames that the wave A or the wave 1 on the daily time frame is complete. So for me personally, I'm definitely either waiting for this break of structure, or I'm waiting for a ABC shape with a breakdown to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.